Okay, so help for question 2. Now, last time, I actually tried out the times table as the first step. So the first key point is to write out the 7 times table unless you're really confident with it. So 7 times table, 7, 14, 21, 28. Then you need to add on 7. So I always break, in my head, I break 7 down into 5 and 2. So that's add on 2 is 30, add on another 5, that's 35. Then 42, 49, 56, 63, and 70. So that's one lot of 7, that's 2 lots, 3 lots, 4 lots, 5 lots, 6 lots, 7, 8, 9, and of course 10 lots of 7. Okay, now the next thing you've got to do is write the question out using the bus stop. So I write 2303 and divide them by 7. So now the third point here, find out how many times a number goes into your value. So I want to find out how many times 7 goes into 2. And it doesn't, because 7 is bigger than 2, so we write a 0 above there. And then what we do is we write our answer above, so it goes in there 0 times, and we carry any remainders onto our next number. So we carry this 2 over to there. So now that makes 23. So we see how many times 7 goes into 23. And if we have a look over here, we can see that 7 goes into 23 3 times. So we're going to write the answer 3 here, and there's 2 left over, because 7 goes into 23 3 times, so 3 7s are 21, which means from 23 there's 2 left over, so we carry 2 over to there. We now see how many times 7 goes into 20. And this one's only 2, because 3 times would be too much. So it goes in there twice. So we write a 2 over here. And 2 7s are 14, so from 20 there's 6 left over. So we write the 6 there. We now see how many times 7 goes into 63. And if we have a look down the line here, it goes in there 9 times. So we write the 9 above. So then the answer will be what we've got up here. So we can ignore the 0, because we never pronounce zeros at the start of a number, so the answer is simply 329. Okay, now you guys go ahead and do question 2.